Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER F75 MAX. In this video I'll show you how to use TFT screen. In the beginning, let's press knob in the top right corner. Firstly, you can select System Mode, and then you can go to RGB Effect, Color, Brightness, Speed. Then you can change volume of the PC and language of your keyboard. Next, you can enter image display that you can also adjust by dedicated app, and you can go to main menu. Here you can check date, battery level, hour, and all kind of indicators. For example, caps lock, shift, and more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.